Hello guys, welcome to my video. In this video, I wanted to
Ikat yang mana?
break apa?
Ikat poin.
I write in my book, in my notebook in Kasya. Uh, yeah, I'm so sleepy because I sleep in the 12 o'clock, so night because I have a segment, make a segment, so I also make two final project. Yeah, it's so that's real attention. In the next week, I have a tax in the finally semester this semester, so I have a presentation, also presentation to final project module, and that's I have many excitement. Yeah, so in the English class I'm study about the grammar, simple past tense, so and present continuous. We get a question in the what how much 30 around 30 question about grammar, and after this I wanna break break uh, break, yeah, because I'm tired. After this I have assignment again in Dinia class. Okay, thanks for watching guys. See you next video. Bye bye.